7th B. 2 sections are there. Yeah. So what were we doing in 7th A? 7th A students in your class, what were we doing?
So 15th B exercise.
We were
Fourth
doing,
question we have to start.
okay, we have to start the 4th question. 7th A. And in 7th B, what were we doing? 7th B? B section. B section. Anyone? What are we doing? Yes, tell me. Section B students. बी सेक्शन का कोई बच्चा नहीं है यहाँ पर.
Sir, I'm from B.
Manir Kaur is there. हाँ, Ranshad, yes. Till which question we have done in your section?
Sir, 1 second.
I think Manir is also from B section.
Sir, Vansh Maheshwari Shrestha and what do you call it? Avnish are also from B.
Avnish,
You tell.
Avnish, till which question we have done?
Sir, I have done.
Sir, we
till
have done the whole exercise of 15th A.
Sir, 15th A we have done.
Okay, have you started 15B? Have you already done the exterior angle property?
No, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So we have done the exterior angle property of a triangle.
In 7th A, we have done exterior angle property. I think in 7th B, I think we have to do it.
Yes, sir. In 7th B, you have not started the.
Not started the exterior angle property.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, today we will do, because both the sections are sitting together. So let's start with the reasoning today. It will be a reasoning class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So sit with your notebooks. You can use your maths notebooks also for reasoning. Okay. And write down the heading. Reasoning.
Sir, can we use the rough notebook for reasoning?
Use your maths notebooks for reasoning.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the topic that we are starting today is in reasoning. In reasoning, the topic is clocks.
Clocks.
Clocks. Sir, it's in the syllabus, isn't it?
Yes, it is in your syllabus.
Okay, sir.
So clocks is the topic that we will do.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in between the notebook, we have to start the reasoning, or we can make another notebook for it.
Beta, just now I told you you can do reasoning in maths in the maths notebook.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And if you want, you can make a separate one. That is your choice if you want to make a separate one for reasoning.
Okay,
I'm
sir.
just giving you a choice. But it should be a proper notebook.
Okay, sir.
वक्त में काम नहीं चलेगा. So how many of you have submitted your maths notebooks in the school? How many of you have submitted?
Sir, I live 40 kilometers away from school.
40 kilometers.
Sir, I will give my maths copy today.
Sir, sir,
Yes.
so I cannot give my maths copy, sir, because my parents have sorry, sir, because my parents having a viral fever.
Morning, sir.
Okay, no problem. It is not a compulsion. If you feel like that.
Sir,
you
I
are-
can send you clicks.
No problem. If I need them, I will ask you. Okay.
So because I have understood from book.
The first thing is it is not compulsory. Your safety comes first. Your safety and everyone else's safety is the priority. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So clocks. You all know what are clocks. This is a small introduction to clocks. You all know that there are numbers written on clocks. 12. Or let me show you a real clock with the help of internet. You all must have seen. Let me clarify. 1, 2, 3.
Sir, we have to note it down.
Wait. No, don't draw this. Wait. Achha, you can make it. You can make in your copies.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we can make it in the book.
Copy.
Sir, I have made.
Can we make a different copy for reasoning?
Sir,
Yes,
I have
yes.
made.
You can make a new copy for reasoning. And
Okay,
I'm
sir.
giving you a choice. You can do the work in maths notebook. It will become easy if you use a compass and pencil. Draw a circle with the help of a compass and pencil like this. Okay. Draw a circle. And then you know the center of the circle. This is the center. Up center ke right, upside you write 12 first, and to the right side you write 3. At the bottom you write 6, and to the left side you write 9. So this is a better method to give the numbering. And then in between you can write the other numbers. 12, 3, 6, 9. Start from here, then write the rest of the numbers. Start, use a compass and pencil. Mayank, please turn off your mic. So have you all made this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, some important things you all will note down in your copies. I will be telling you. You can form
Okay, sir.
some notes with the help. First of all, you can easily make a clock. So this is your minute hand. Generally, we talk about only the minute hand and the hour hand. You all know that minute hand is longer than the hour hand. So can you tell me what is the time here?
Sir, 1 o'clock.
It's 1
1
o'clock.
o'clock.
Sir, 1 o'clock.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so ready? Are you all ready? Ready to tell you some
Yes, sir,
Yes,
ready.
sir.
important points?
Yes, sir.
Will be
Yes, sir.
the first point that you have to note down is one day has how many hours? Tell me. One day has how many
24.
hours?
24.
24.
24 hours. ठीक है. Hour has how many minutes?
60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60
minutes.
60 minutes. But 1 minute has how many seconds?
60
60
seconds.
seconds.
60.
60 seconds. Okay. Four. If we talk about one day has how many minutes? In minutes, can you tell me how many minutes are there in one day? One day again has how many minutes?
Sir, 16 to 24.
Yeah. You can see that one day has 24 hours.
May I tell?
One day has 24 hours. And 1 hour has 60 minutes. So how many minutes are there in a day?
1440
1440 minutes.
Minutes. So what is the product here? What is the product?
1440.
1400.
1440.
1440. 1440 minutes. Very good. Okay. Good. 1 hour has how many seconds? How many seconds are there in 1 hour?
Sir, 3600.
1600.
3600 seconds. Okay. Good. कैसे निकाला ये 3660?
Sir, 60 into 60.
Sir,
1 hour there are 60
60.
minutes.
But
And
we have
in 1 minute
60.
there are 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, that means 3600 seconds. So 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So these are the things which you already know. You have already done in your previous classes. Now here what we are going to do special. What is the special thing here? We will talk about a clock in degrees. In degrees. So degree क्या होता है? What is a degree? Do you know angles are measured in degree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unit of how to, if you want to measure some angles, you use the unit degree to measure the angles. Okay. You all must have seen protectors. You all must be having protectors.
Yes,
with-
sir.
Yes, sir.
So one complete circle is equals to how many degrees?
360.
360.
You all know this. One complete circle, if something starts from this point and it rotates and comes back to the original place, it has moved how many degrees?
Sir, 360.
360.
Very good. Very nice. So let's learn more about this.
Don't erase it.
I'm going to erase this block. Is it okay? Block it. There is no
Yes,
use
sir.
of block. So there is a use of block. Okay. Okay. So to write, I'm going to erase this part. This part. Have you all done this?
Okay, sir.
Keep your minds off.
Sir, erase it. Yes, sir.
Now, another thing that you have to study is about the rotation of minute hand and then the rotation of hour hand. First, let us study rotation of minute hand. Now, you all know that this is the 6th point. In if a minute hand starts from 12, okay, you have to tell me if a minute hand starts from 12 and it rotates a complete circle, then how many minutes are there if a minute hand starts from 12 and ends in 12? How many minutes?
60 minutes.
60
60
minutes.
minutes.
That means in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay. Got it? So
Yes,
in
sir.
1 hour there are 60 minutes. So you all know that the angle that the minute hand has covered is in 60 minutes. What is the angle covered by the minute hand? Angle
360 degree.
360.
360 degree.
So that means we can say that 60 minutes of minute hand, 60 minutes is equal to
Equal to 360 degree.
360 degree rotation of minute.
this.
60 minutes is equal to 360 degree rotation of minute hand.
Sir, we have to write this.
Yes, you have to write this.
Okay.
Where were you? This is your
Sir, what you have written after of?
minute hand. Minute, short form.
Okay.
MIN. Short form of minute. 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree rotation of minute hand. Do you all understand this? Are you all able to
Yes, sir.
understand this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me what is the rotation in 1 minute? What is the rotation angle covered by the minute hand in 1 minute?
360 degree.
In 1 minute, 1 minute. 60 minutes means there is 360 degree. What is the rotation angle covered by the minute hand in 1 minute?
Yes, sir. Yes.
1 degree.
No. Not 1 degree.
Sir, 360 degree.
बेटा 360 डिग्री तो 60 मिनट्स में कवर करता है. मिनट हैंड जो है अगर 60 minutes cover करेगा, then how much rotation will be there? It will be 360 degrees.
6 degrees.
Yeah, correct. 6 degrees is the correct answer. तो in 60 minutes मतलब 60 minutes पूरे हो जाएंगे तो मिनट हैंड पूरा रोटेशन कितना डिग्री करेगा. मैं सिर्फ अगर मिनट हैंड 1 मिनट आगे बढ़ेगा बस 1 मिनट, then what will be the rotation? कॉमन सेंस वाला लॉजिक है. यू कैन डिवाइड यूनिटरी मेथड यूज करिए फिर.
Sir, 1 degree.
1 degree.
Sir, 6 degree per minute.
Sir, 30 degree.
1 minute is equal to
6
360
degree.
divided by 60. So this is degrees. So this is degree, not
Sir,
degree.
6 minutes. Sir, 6 degree.
Yes.
Sir, the answer is 6 degree per minute.
Yes, sir, 6 degree per minute.
Of minute hand. (360/60 degree rotation of minute hand). That means how much? 6 degree rotation. कितना रोटेट करेगा मिनट हैंड? 6 degrees in 1 minute. Got it? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Any doubt in this? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो मुझे बताइए कि अगर you all have understood, if you all have understood, can you tell me how much degree rotation will be there when the minute hand moves 5 minutes? In 5 minutes, what will be the degree rotation?
Sir, 30.
Sir, 30.
30.
Correct.
30.
अब आप लोगों ने मैथ्स वाला दिमाग चलाया है. Very good. So in 60 minutes the rotation is 360 degrees. In 1 minute it will be 360/60. And in 5 minutes, अभी 1 minute का आपको मालूम है 6 degrees. You got it. 1 minute it is 6 degree rotation. In 5 minutes, obviously it will be 6 multiplied by 5. So you get 30 degree rotation in 5 minutes. Okay. Got it? So what will be the rotation in 20 minutes? Can you tell me what will be the rotation in 20 minutes?
120 degree. 120 degree.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
120 degrees. Very
Sir,
good.
120 degree.
Okay, very nice.
120 degree.
Now let us talk about
Sir,
the
120.
hour hand के बारे में बात करते हैं. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hour hand के बारे में बात करें अगर. What is the angle covered by hour hand when it starts from 1? अगर ये 1 से शुरू हो रहा है, चाहे एंगल छोड़ो भी, सिंपल सी बात है. अगर ये hour hand अभी 1 पर है मान लीजिए, और ये दोबारा से पूरा चक्कर घूम करके 1 पर कितने टाइम के बाद आएगा मुझे बताओ. How much time it will take? I'm not talking
Sir,
about
12 hours.
it will
12
come
hours.
back to 1 at
12.
after 12 hours.
12 hours.
Yes. 1 घंटे में ये कितने 1 से कहां पर आएगा? 2 पे आएगा. Am I right or not? 1 से 2 पे
Yes.
आएगा. In 1 hour. In 2 hours it will come from 1 to 3. 2 घंटे बाद 3 पे आ जाएगा. 3 बजेगा. 2 घंटे बाद 1 घंटे बाद 2 बजेगा. 2 घंटे बाद 3 बजेगा. Right? So if it is at 1 right now and it after 12 hours it will come back to the original place 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the angle covered by the hour hand in 12 hours? What is the angle covered by hour hand in 12 hours?
Sir,
It is 360 degree. So minute hand
360 degree.
360 है.
minute hand 360 degree कितने मिनट में कवर कर लेता है? Only 60 minutes. Okay. But hour hand covers 360 degrees in 12 hours. आपको मालूम है ये बात?
yes.
So I am writing this, the same thing I am writing here. 12 hours equal to 360 degree rotation of what? 360 rotation of Our hand. 360 rotation of our hand. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the degree rotation when the hour hand goes from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock? That means 1 hour. What will be the angle covered by the hour hand in 1 hour?
30 degrees. 30 degree.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely
Sir,
correct.
30 degree.
Again, you have used what? You have used unitary method to find this. So 9, 1 hour में कितना cover करेगा our hand? How much? 360 upon 12 degrees rotation of our hand. This is equal to 30 degrees rotation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you all are writing in your copies.
Yes, sir.
This is very important. If you are not able to understand all these things and you are not copying down in your copies, you will not be able to understand.
Sir,
Yes.
the point.
Sir,
Yes.
so please understand again. I not understand very well. Please.
So beta, which part? This part we are talking about the minute hand or the part which is there for the hour hand? Which of the two parts? 6th point or 8th point?
Minute and hour, please, sir.
Huh? Sorry?
Both.
Both.
Both, sir.
So we are saying that
Yes, sir.
minute hand when it starts from 12 and again comes back to 12, that means it has covered 60 minutes. एक घंटे में क्या होता है? Minute hand 12 से दोबारा घूम के 12 पे आ जाता है. That means 60 minutes the minute hand is covered. And what is the angle covered here? When something starts from this point and covers a complete circle, what is the angle covered? The angle covered is 360 degrees. So 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, the angle covered is 360 degrees by the minute hand. We are talking about the minute hand. And in 1 minute, the angle covered by the minute hand is 360 divided by 60. So unit
rotation.
you use 360 divided by 60, so you get 6 degree rotation in 1 minute. So केवल 1 मिनट अगर होगा, तो hour minute hand जो कितना rotate करेगा? Only 6 degrees. Okay.
6 rotation in 1 minute.
6 degree rotation in 1 minute.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Similarly for the hour hand का क्या चक्कर है? वो अगर 12 पर है, मान लीजिए 1 पर है, तो कंप्लीट रोटेशन आवर हैंड का कब होता है? 12 आवर्स के बाद होता है. 12 घंटे में दोबारा पूरे ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे आ जाता है आवर हैंड. डू यू नो दिस? क्लॉक तो सभी
Yes, sir.
12 hours के बाद the hour hand comes back to the original position. That means it completes the circle. So 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. Complete circle मतलब 360 degrees.
Rotation 360
12 hours
degree.
is equal to 360 rotation, 360 degree rotation of our hand. This is the important part. 360 degree
Okay, sir.
rotation of our hand. Okay. So in 12 hours it is 360 degree. What will be the rotation in 1 hour? Unitary method we are using. In 12 hours the rotation is 360 degrees. In 1 hour the rotation is 360 upon 12, which is equal to 30.
30
That means 1 घंटे में कितना मूव करेगा our hand? 30 degrees rotate करेगा. Got it? So till now we
Okay,
have
sir.
done this. one more point here. Can any one of you tell me? I'm giving you a chance. Can any one of you tell me what will be the angle covered? Listen carefully.
Sorry, sir.
Mic off.
Sir, what is the question? Sir, what is the question?
Wait. Someone's mic was on, it was creating this. So yeah, the extra question. What is the question? You all have to tell me the answer. Can you tell me what is the angle covered by our hand? Angle covered by our hand, the short one. What is the angle covered by our hand in 1 minute?
Sir, 12 degree.
Angle covered by our hand in 1 minute.
Sir, 12 degree.
No.
Sir, 2 degree.
Sir, 1 degree.
नहीं बेटा.
Sir, 2 degree, 2 degree.
नहीं.
Sir, 0.5 degree. Sir, 0.5 degree.
Sir, 5 degree.
0.5 डिग्री किसने बोला?
Sir, Vansh.
0.5 degree is
Degree.
actually the correct answer. 0.5 degree is the right answer. हाफ डिग्री रोटेशन होगा. कैसे होगा? Let us see. ये हटा देना हूं मैं अब. There is no need of the clock now. वन आवर में यहाँ पे लिखा है 360/12, यानी कि 30 डिग्रीज रोटेशन इज देयर इन 1 आवर. किसका रोटेशन? आवर हैंड का रोटेशन कितना है? 30 डिग्रीज रोटेशन इन 1 आवर. तो ये 1 आवर की जगह अगर मैं 60 मिनट्स लिख दूं, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है इसमें. दिस इज आल्सो इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स. हम इसको ऐसा भी तो बोल सकते हैं. 60 मिनट इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्रीज रोटेशन ऑफ 30 degree rotation of the hour hand. वन आवर में कितना रोटेट कर रहा है? 30 डिग्री रोटेट कर रहा है hour hand. This is what? This is about the hour hand. So in 1 hour the rotation is 30 degrees. That means 60 minutes में कितना रोटेशन है? 1 hour का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of 1 hour? 60 minutes. So 60 minutes में the rotation is
60 minutes.
60 minutes में the rotation is 30 degrees. So the rotation of our hand in 1 minute. ये 1 minute में rotation किसका है? 6 degrees rotation है minute hand का. But our hand का कितना rotation होगा 1 minute? In 1 minute. One upon 2 degree rotation. 1/2 कैसे निकाला? वैसे यूनिटरी मेथड से निकाला है. let me show this. 30/60. ये तो करा आपने. 60 minutes and 30 degrees. That means 1 minute में 30/60. 30 divided by 60 degree rotation of our hand, which is also equal to 0.5 degree rotation. 0.5 बोल दीजिए या 1/2 बोल दीजिए, एक ही बात है. Got it or not? ये सारे पॉइंट्स आपको याद करने पड़ेंगे. This you can take as point number 10. You all have to understand and learn all the things given here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So most important points कौन से हैं यहाँ पर? Most important points हैं आपके point number 7, 9 and 10. These are the most important points. Point number 7 says in 1 minute, minute hand कितना rotate करेगा? 6 degrees. Point number 9 says in 1 hour the hour hand will rotate 30 degrees. And point number 9 says in 1 minute the hour hand. In 1 minute we are talking about the hour hand. In 1 minute the hour hand will rotate 0.5 degrees. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Done? All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some basic questions I'm going to ask here. I hope you all can answer. So first of all, we will talk about the minute hand. उसके बाद हम थोड़ी देर बाद hour hand की बात करेंगे. Minute hand के बारे में बात करते हैं. Can you tell me what is the angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes? 15 minutes. Angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes.
Sir, 2 degrees.
Sir, 34.